Watch this video.
Help, please. Please help.
November 28th, 2019. This little girl in Harriet Creek Ranch, Texas, goes up to a home security camera begging for help. Police were notified and are trying to identify the child till current date. We have no further information as yet. This video was posted to Reddit, and how people have responded to it is shocking. Lame Amphibian says it's very telling of what was most likely going on. She was most likely looking back at the individual who told her to do this, as if asking for what to do next. Very scary that someone is using a child to get someone to open a door in the middle of the night to burglarize their home. Or worse. Some people have said they can see a guy peeking out of the bushes on the left, but I can't see it myself. Bubbly Product 8662 says look carefully at the left bushes between second 14 and 15 or 11 to 12 if you are in countdown. Something happens there. Can't tell if it is a person or a camera glitch. Autumn Ascending says this is a trap. As soon as you open the door, 3 guys will rush in. Source: I'm from Kensington, Philadelphia. Hello. Keithy3 says what a dilemma. If you don't let the girl in, you'll be seen as heartless. But if you let her in, you're putting your life in danger. Lady JD says, so I screen recorded the video and played around with the brightness, contrast and whatnot. My heart low-key dropped seeing what others are talking about. There's someone peeking around that fence or whatever that is. Neolith0200 says around 14 seconds. There are a few light gray pixels towards the center left of the screen. Could be a head peeking out. Would make sense that this female was looking back at the same time. Perhaps seeking some form of approval. She does appear to not know what to say after the initial pleas for help. That, and given her age range, I'd have imagined her to be less composed. The flashlight in her right hand is also a bit odd, especially as she never uses it throughout the footage. This could very well be the case, given the fact that there does not seem to be much information on this. Then again, what do I know? Valk says, this is a setup 100%. Girls, especially young ones, to basically knock on doors and get people to answer, and they will wait near the house to get inside. I live in Europe, and this happened to a friend of mine. He was stabbed 4 times in the stomach. He survived. But he said he will never open the door to anyone ever again. Rich Def says, calling this a setup is a huge leap. She seems genuinely terrified and looked like she needs immediate help. There is no real information on this incident, but from what people say, this looks creepy.